They say that if you want to be a trader, a demo account is an excellent place to start before moving on to live trading. But the transition from demo account to a live account may be both frightening and exhilarating. So let's find out what a demo account is and how it can help you get started with live trading and what signals indicate that you're ready to trade live. Hello and welcome back to Upstep Financial for today's video on how to get started on live trading. But first, if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified whenever a new video is released. When internet trading became popular, demo trading arose. Trading platforms reached a wider audience thanks to the internet, mobile apps, online banking, and improved online security. Everyone, regardless of their geography or background, can now trade and invest. You can do the following as long as you have an internet connection and a gadget that connects to the internet. For a modest charge, you can enroll in an online trading course. Become a member of a trading platform. Trade and invest in making money. Traditionally, trading and investing were only available to individuals who lived in big cities and went to a university to master their trade. Various platforms now provide sample accounts when new users sign up to give them a taste of the trading world. When you sign up for a demo account, you will be given some fake money to start trading with. Of course, all of your deals are fictitious, but the research and statistics are updated in real time. Because trading involves money in highly volatile markets, it's strongly advised that you use a demo account for as long as necessary. Students are told at institutions to keep their demo accounts open for the duration of their studies. When skilled traders are examining alternative assets, they employ demo accounts. When it comes to demo trading, how long should you do it? The answer is dependent upon the person. Some traders propose a period of 1 to 3 months, others will say a year at the very least. 1 or 2 months is usually sufficient for those with prior trading experience because they are familiar with the trading platforms and have traded before. Take as much time as you need if you're new to the industry. Trading with your own money on live markets is a risky business. Do not feel compelled to do something you're not ready for. There are traders old and new with varied levels of understanding. Some people can devote their entire lives to the markets and the trading world. Others may work full-time and trade in their spare time to supplement their income. It can be a challenge to move from a demo to a live account. However, gradually introducing live transactions can assist in alleviating anxiety. The following indicators will assist you in determining whether you are ready to begin live trading. Your trading platform makes you feel at ease. You must be comfortable with all areas of your trading platform before committing to a live account and trading with your own money. In addition, you should be comfortable with the analysis tools and have fun exploring the platform. Finally, while aesthetics isn't profitable, looking at a screen that you like can improve your experience. Many trading systems allow users to customize their user interfaces. Ideally, you want to create a welcoming screen. It is recommended that you use the same broker for your demo account as you do for live trading. As a result, you should be familiar with all of the information and have already resolved any problems or issues. Take more time to deepen your understanding of your trading platform if you have any doubts or don't fully comprehend particular elements before moving on to actual trades. You don't want to make any blunders that could be avoided. You've put your trading strategy to the test. When you go live, you're dealing with real money and actual trades. Therefore, you must avoid the temptation to experiment with your strategy before making the transition. The sample account is where you may experiment with different strategies and find one that works for you. You should only move on to actual trading once you have a strategy that you are comfortable with and a good comprehension of the analysis tools and indicators. Your strategy will vary and adapt as you gain experience with actual trading. That is, however, a natural evolution that should not be sped up. You're employing risk management techniques. Trading success is commonly thought to be the outcome of solid setups and a sound risk management technique. However, events occur in the trading industry that make markets unpredictable. These situations may cause you to doubt your abilities and strategy if you are a newbie. In these situations, your risk management strategy may be the only thing keeping your trade safe. Make sure you have your non-negotiable list of risk reduction guidelines in place before proceeding to live trades. This should include the following: a time limit on how much time you can spend trading, the utmost amount of money you're willing to lose daily, When to stop trading after a losing streak. Maximum depletion. Understanding the concept of a stop loss. You should also make use of the risk management capabilities provided by your platform. You've set realistic trading objectives. It's critical to set reasonable goals and expectations before moving to a live account. Trading and investing can go wrong at any time, and there are no guarantees. Your objectives should represent your desire to generate a lot of money, but they should also be realistic. Before you start live trading, make a list of your long-term and short-term objectives that'll bring you there. Don't try to push yourself too hard or create unrealistic goals for yourself. They will only lead to burnout or mistakes that may have been avoided. You've decided on the type of trader you want to be. Trading strategies are divided into 4 categories. Traders that buy and sell stocks and shares in a single trading day are known as day traders. This is a short-term strategy, and the securities can be bought and sold multiple times in a matter of hours. Another short-term method is scalping. The trader executes a large number of trades and gains from modest price changes. Swing trading entails holding a security for a short period, ranging from a few days to a few months, before selling it and profiting on the price movement. Position trading is when you hold a security for a long time before selling it for profit. Before switching to a live account, you should understand different types of traders and decide which one you want to be. A demo account allows you to try out all options, making it simple to choose which ones are best for your plan. You're in control of your emotional reactions. Trading on a live account necessitates far more emotional control than trading on a demo account. You're dealing with real money and the numbers are changing by the second. It's easy to reach sensory overload, especially if you're just getting started. It is a part of the learning process to learn how to control your emotions and make educated decisions. However, no matter how hard you attempt to duplicate the emotional detachment you experience with a demo account, that voice that whispers, "This is real money," will always be present. You could be ready for a genuine account if you can make good decisions on your demo account without letting your emotions get in the way. When making a move, however, keep the following in mind. Allow yourself time to adjust to the new degree of intensity and a genuine sense of loss. Begin with low-risk, minor trades. Keep your strategy in mind. We've reached the halfway point of our conversation. How do you feel about day trading so far? Please share it now in the comments box below, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Losses have no bearing on your trading decisions. Trading and investment losses are unavoidable. What counts is how you respond to them. Even if everything seems to be going wrong, it's critical to keep your cool. When you make decisions based on a loss, you're more likely to make rash decisions that don't align with your strategy. When you go live, the more experience you have dealing with a loss, the better. Beware, however, that a loss in a demo account pales in comparison to real-life loss. Therefore, before you make a move, you must be very positive about maintaining your composure and sticking to your plan. You're not in it for the quick buck. You already know that trading requires patience, and you also know that rapid successes are pretty unusual. Legitimate trading and investing do not provide sudden riches or fully stocked bank accounts. A trader for a live account has a long-term financial plan in place and is aware of the amount of time it will take to realize any genuine success or money. Take note. Before making your final decision on switching to a live account, you should examine the following items after completing the above checklist. How much time do you have available to trade? Is it going to be your full-time job or just a way to supplement your income? Trading is done only during defined hours. You must confirm that you will be available during those times. The degree of danger. Your demo account has provided you with some risk exposure. However, it is in no way comparable to the real thing. Before you make any financial obligations, make a thorough assessment of all the dangers involved. Check for any hidden charges. You don't want to end up paying more than you bargained for, especially if the trade does not go your way. That concludes our video for today. This is Upstep Financial. We hope you learned something, but if you want to learn even more, subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of each new upload.